So for today's video, we're talking about hair. Once again, y'all know that this is my favorite topic to talk about. All my videos are basically turning into hair videos, but it's okay. I'm gonna try to switch it up sometime here in the next week. But y'all have been asking what type of oils I use in my hair. I posted a snap last week of what oils I use in my hair, and I think that picture got like almost 100 screenshots. So it got a bunch of screenshots basically, and I was like, okay, like obviously you guys are interested in this, so let me do a video kind of going more into depth about the oils that I use in my hair every single day, because I haven't really been talking about what products I use in my hair. That's just because I was trying to like try out some new stuff and see which ones I really liked and that I can really vouch for. And I like to experiment with products and oils and stuff, and I just wasn't quite confident yet in the ones that I had, and I wanted to, you know, get some good essentials that I could mix together and really talk to you guys about and that I use every day. And these oils basically, let me show y'all. I basically have my oils mixed in this bottle. I need to put some more in here because it's running low. But I mix 5 oils together in this bottle. And this is a huge part in me growing my hair longer and thicker. Like, this is key, like really crucial to my hair's growth so far. I mix 5 oils in here. I use this every single day on my head. I use it when I deep condition. I use it when I'm doing twist outs. I use it just when my hair is dry. I got this bottle from the beauty supply store. I think it was about $1 or $2, so it's not too expensive. So you need to get a bottle first of all. And I have them all sitting like on the floor. So let me try to get them up here. I had to make myself notes just because I wasn't gonna remember. So the first oil that I have is avocado oil. I got this one from Target. This one is a little bit pricey, I believe. I think this one was one of the pricier ones. I'm not quite sure, but I got this from Target. You can get this from any of your local grocery stores, most likely. And this is the refined avocado oil. So the benefit of avocado oil is it's good to moisturize dry, brittle hair, AKA my hair. This oil is lightweight, as you guys can tell. It moves pretty easily in here. It's great for deep conditioning, adding strength and shine. So this is a great light oil to use. It's one that's not super heavy, not super greasy. You can get it from your local grocery store, but I think it is one of the pricier oils. But I do know, I feel like this oil is underrated by a lot of naturals. I suggest trying this out if you guys haven't tried using avocado already. I honestly think this one is a good oil to try out in your natural hair routine. If you haven't checked it out, check it out. It'll keep your hair moisturized. The next oil, olive oil. This one, you guys know, if you guys are natural, you guys already know that this oil is a staple for naturals. Like, if you're not using any type of oil in your head, olive oil needs to be the one that you at least use. This is extra virgin olive oil. We get our olive oil in our house from Trader Joe's, so you can get this from Trader Joe's or probably just the grocery store. I'm pretty sure they have extra virgin also. The good thing about this oil, and the reason why it's probably a staple, is because it's cheap. It's cheap and it works good to moisturize your hair. This is great for twist outs, deep conditioning, just anything. It's lightweight, it's cheap. One thing that I read about this oil is that it helps promote a healthy scalp, so basically prevents dandruff. So if you're prone to having dandruff, this is a great oil to try out. And it contains vitamin E in it, and vitamin E is good to promote hair growth. So if you're trying to grow your hair out, which most people are, then olive oil is a good thing to try out. I have jojoba oil. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. This one is from Trader Joe's. You can also use this oil on your skin, I believe, but I use this for my hair because my friend is natural and she's been telling me, you know, you need to get this, you need to get jojoba oil, and I'm like, all right girl, like, trust me, I be taking notes from other naturals. Like, I really be taking notes. Like, I will try out any type of methods they try to see if it works on my hair. So she told me to get this one, and I'm glad I did. This oil is also good for a healthy scalp. It's another great staple. Strengthens the hair fibers. It basically helps strengthen your hair fibers, so basically prevents breakage. I am prone to breakage. I am prone to so much I used to have so much breakage, it was crazy. I was just like, my hair's so thick, you wouldn't really see a difference, but I knew it was bad. Like, I knew my hair shouldn't be breaking off like this. And since I've been using these oils in my hair, I haven't been having breakage, and I've been getting my split ends cut regularly. So this oil is good to help prevent breakage. You can get this from Trader Joe's. If you have a Trader Joe's near you, that's where I get mine from. It's Argan Oil. This might be the oldest oil I've been using. I picked this up from Rite Aid like 3 years ago, not just knowing anything. I was just like, I need oil. I just knew that I needed to be using some type of oil in my head, and I picked this one up. And long story short, some of the naturals that I follow, I've been seeing that they actually do use this also, so I'm like, cool, like I've been using something right for the whole time. But Argan Oil is great for hydrating your hair, reduces roughness, penetrates the hair shaft, and helps create elasticity. Elasticity basically helps prevent breakage as well, just like the jojoba oil. These oils are similar. This one isn't as light. It's a little bit thicker than some of the other ones that I showed, but the thickest oil that I have and the last one that I mixed in there, and the most important, I think, Jamaican black castor oil. You can get this from the beauty supply, and they have a lot of different scents in this one. I got the vitamin A, D, and E, because like I said, vitamin E helps promote hair growth. But basically it says it helps moisturize and soften dry skin, so I guess you can use it for your skin. Helps prevent split ends, which is great and crucial. This oil is the thickest of them all, and with this one I think a little goes a long way, but it smells so good. So this oil will take over the entire smell of all the other ones that I put in there, and my oil basically just smells like this, and this smells really good. I recommend getting this exact brand, the blue one. I get the blue one, and I honestly think this stuff works magic. Jamaican black castor oil helps promote thicker hair, which is my goal, to keep my hair thick and to get it thicker. I love volume and thickness, so using this stuff is my go-to, literally my go-to. It's my baby. And it's great for massaging into the scalp. So if you're one of the people who like to do scalp massages, which I highly recommend because it helps promote the blood flow into your head and helps your hair grow, I definitely recommend doing a scalp massage with Jamaican black castor oil. Super good oil for that. And I think doing scalp massages every other day is pretty good. I know people say do them every day, but that's kind of like, I forget sometimes, but I know I do it every other day, and it's really been helping. So try using Jamaican black castor oil for scalp massages and to make your own oil mixture. Are the 5 oils that I use that is in this bottle that I use on my hair every single day. So if you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you are listening to this and got this far, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. We're almost there. Be sure to hit me up on my social media at zahriaxo and on my Snapchat to see what I am up to, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.